Guys, what is... Look. Wait. Like the video. No. I will show how to get free first 83 times. This I know. This one, two, three. And then second, you need to go this. Wait. And then wait. Just wait. I'm back. Then so we need to get this. No, not this. You need to go. You need this, and then make do this, and then return your world. You need to Google Play Store and then remove Tokaboka. Wait. I will remove my Tokaboka, and you see there's no Tokaboka, and Tokaboka. You can click this. Install. Wait. Did you just the instruction? Did you just say instruction? Wait. Okay, wait. Oh no, I forgot. Wait, so this. Guys, if part 2, I will tell you how to get in phone into the I know about this. I'm playing Roblox, but I don't want to play Roblox because it's just a boring. I'm not this. Wait. Guys, if you just see this, go like and subscribe. Go like and subscribe into my channel. Please subscribe. Wait. Don't see. And then Oh, I can see something. No. Ugh. Faster, 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 faster. Going. Oh, the dog was. Shut up, doggy. Oh, hey. I will reveal. I will tell you if I just 1,000 subscriber or 10,000 subscriber. I will tell you where I from. If 10 million subscribers, I will tell. Okay, the Tukaboka was. It's here. Look, right here. Okay, then this. Wait, do this like this, and then there's it's 2024, and then I just claim that it's then wait. Then go this, and then go this again two times. 1, 2, and then go here. You enjoy your. Well, I will see you. Cool. It's new, but it's like this. Yeah, that's it. And then I have to go and enjoy your game. Bye bye. See you part 2.